For months, there were rumors floating around about a new One Piece movie, and things really got heated up, especially for the promotion of the 1000th episode of the anime, because the promotional material had one particular letter in red, and combining all of these letters gave us One Piece film. So this was a pretty big theory moving around on the internet, and now it feels like we finally have the confirmation. And oh boy, this is huge. This is absolutely huge. We in fact have the confirmation that a new One Piece movie is just around the corner and it is coming out next year in August. This is One Piece Film Red or One Piece Red. Now this is huge. This is absolutely huge. This is a new One Piece movie, first of all. That is a big news in itself. But even more than that, it seems, okay, no confirmation here at this point, this is purely speculation, but it seems like this might be the first canonical movie in the One Piece franchise. That is absolutely going to be huge because of two reasons. First of all, this movie is titled One Piece Red. Now you might be wondering that what is this red all about? There are a lot of characters which can be associated with the red color, but look closely right here on the last letter, last alphabet. It is scarred, and this scar is the very same scar as our beloved Shanks. So that basically signifies that this movie is definitely going to be about Shanks and the red hair pirates in a way. Now going back to the starting of 2021, Oda made a pretty big announcement that a red-haired pirate is going to make his move this year, and we are almost at the middle or end of November now, and we have not really seen anything from Shanks so far. I mean, we were still expecting that maybe he might pop up or some kind of a news about him might pop up towards the end of December, and that would be his quote-unquote big announcement in a very typical Oda style. But what if all of these things are actually going to lead towards a canonical One Piece movie in the form of One Piece Red, where maybe the red hair pirates, the Akagami pirates, are actually going to be explored more in depth and in details? That is something which I was not expecting to see at all. There were rumors going around that this movie might actually be called Rocks and it might be about Xebec D. Rocks. I mean, that would have been absolutely amazing, but at the same time, something about Shanks is always welcome. That's just always welcome among the One Piece franchise and One Piece fandom. So yeah, I am really excited. I just can't wait for next year, basically. Moreover, it's very much possible that this movie might be just about Shanks and his crew. I mean, around the 950th chapter mark, we got into the backstory of Oden, and at that moment in time, we didn't really knew much about Oden. We knew that okay, he's a great character and all, but just that's it. But it was in the backstory that we actually discovered how epic he was, his interactions with Blackbeard, his interactions with Kaido, and of course, his interactions with Roger, and how he also went on to Laugh Tale. And keep in mind that during all of these things, the Straw Hats were not featured into the story at all. So Oda can take such a big risk for a lesser established character like Oden. I mean, prior to his backstory, Oden was definitely a less established character. Now we all love him, but prior to his introduction, he was a less established character. But this is Shanks we are talking about, a character which is literally the incarnation of hype. His mere name can just make waves among the fandom. So if a movie is about him, then that's just going to be epic. There is actually no need for the Straw Hats in the greater half of this movie. Maybe the Straw Hats might come at the very end, and who knows, maybe this is going to eventually lead us to their meeting upon Elbaf. I mean, this is just all wishful thinking. I'm just still wondering if this movie is actually going to be canon or not. There's no official confirmation yet. This is all based upon my personal speculation, so take it with a grain of salt. But yeah, the movie is official. It is definitely coming in August next year, that is 2022, and the movie is titled One Piece Red, and this red is basically signifying Shanks and the red hair pirates. So what do you guys think about all of these things? I am absolutely excited about it. I just can't wait to get more information about it. So yeah, this is the big news of today. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends, share it with all your anime friends, and be sure to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all my latest content. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for joining in. Join the channel membership for some very cool perks and features, and join the Discord server for more. This is Wonder See you all on the next one.